UK don't grant IPOB and MASSOB asylum. For una wey no know, IPOB na indigenous people of Biafra, and then MASSOB na movement for actualization of sovereign state of Biafra. Yes, and as I talk to una now, they don't hear their cry according to them. So now UK don't grant them asylum, and according to them, they say, listen, make I quote them according to their own English. UK visas and immigration just release country policy and information, and it goes like this. Biafra secessionist groups directed its decision makers to consider if a person who actively supports IPOB is likely to be taking risk at arrest, which likely to amount to persecution. Now wetin dey talk, and as I dey talk to now, in fact, no be small party dey go on. Everybody dey jubilate. Everybody dey jubilate. Okay, those people wey they think go favor according to them. Now people, e go do na like joke, but like play. Biafra don't they get recognition now gradually as a country. No, take it or leave it. In the next how many months now, the next way you go, Biafra don't become country on your own. Now so they start to, now they don't recognize them. Hey, Biafra this, Biafra that. Before you know, they don't explode, they don't expand everywhere, don't scatter. And as e be now, some Yorubas they go soon start to change their names to Igbo names. No be so person tell me. He say, I beg, I change my name, I no be Yemi again. Say now I be Chukuma. I say wetin happen. He say, Madam Aproko, you don't know wetin dey happen now. Everybody don't they change. Hey. I beg me, I know they change anything, no. You know, no go understand, but no worry. Very soon I go realize why they talk up. The one where they wait for now, na Minister of Lies, Lai Mohammed. And they wait for her because as he don't hear this one, now say UK don't give a IPOB asylum. He go come outside and come and speak plenty grammar. And they wait for him. I beg. In as much as this thing are good news, my lovely Biafra people, listen very well. Una need to be careful. I no can't do bad belle for anybody. Me, I love una. In fact, I wish everybody well. But I dey talk say make una dey careful because see, una know say when rat dey inside one hole, they use a fish bring am out. Now why they tell una make una dey careful? See, it is very sweet. It is nice. But una don't think of all the things we feel behind this thing. Una don't ask una self how come UK no come outside during Nnamdi Kanu time when they carry him against the law. Una wonder why these UK people no come outside. The period where they kill Biafran people, all of them, the videos they go everywhere. How come UK no come outside? Come to say, oh, okay, me will help these people. They wait. Now, una no dey perceive anything still. Okay. Me no be like say na me don't come outside now. Come make some people change their mind. Because I just want make una open una third eye. If una get that third eye na wisdom, and I get them in abundance. And why anytime I call you, una must listen. Because see, they normal. How many years when people don't they suffer? They never come outside say asylum. The only one where we don't hear, no be the one where Joe Biden cause say they give gay homosexuals. The question is how come now? Now my own question be that I not tell you may you no go. I not tell you may you not do anything we won't do, but how come now? Now my question be that. I just they ask. So make una think very well. Because these people, okay, as at now, I don't know what to be their plans. But I know say something they behind this thing, something they behind them. And I go so find them, and I go so bring her to now. But I don't say later now, when I go say, Madam Aproko, you said it, oh, I know, and I'm saying it again. Something is behind this thing. So I beg, in as much as una they jubilate, una they happy, now good news, now this one, no problem, but I beg, think am twice. I say I make a bring her for my Biafran people and MASSOB people because anything. If you know say they watch me now, you will be part of them. Abeg, I wan know wetin you think. Whether you think say these people, their decision now for asylum, something dey behind am, you dey perceive something fishy as I dey perceive am, or you dey okay, you feel say I be bad belle anyhow, still let me know for that comment section and I go reply you one by one. Make sure say you share this video so that all our Biafrans and IPOB people and all of them, they go know say now the news wey don come reach them now. And why not just click on that subscription bell so that you no go miss anything wey we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.